This is the 4-bit LED counter. This is the MSB, and this is the LSB. This is a push button. This LED glows on when a 20-second interval starts, and this LED shall glow when the number of pieces is greater than 15. First, I take the example of number of pieces less than 10. Let us take the number of pieces equal to 6. The 20-second interval is started. Number of pieces equal to 6. The LED counter shows 0 at the MSB, 0 at the LSB, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now let us take the number of pieces greater than 10. Let that number be 15. The red LED is blown on, the 20-second interval starts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 15 pieces have been made. All 4 LEDs glows on, representing number 15 in the LED counter. Now let us take number of pieces equal to 10. Seconds started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let us take a number of pieces equal to greater than 15. So let us take number of pieces equal to 17. Second interval has started. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. This LED goes on, showing the number of pieces greater than 17 and thus informing the user that the number of pieces should be less than 15, as it cannot be displayed in the 4-bit LED counter if the number of pieces is greater than 15.